2009 Chevy Malibu, 4-cylinder, 54,000 miles on lowmilecars.com. This Chevy Malibu came with this. This is, I will show you this what this is later. And the car overall is very clean and extremely well maintained. It has like new Michelin tires, rotor pads, front struts. The body is very clean. Have a few things and scratches. And it's in this green gold metallic color. Very cool color, very nice, and make the car looks very fresh and doesn't show any age. And you can see the car was garage kept. The highlights are clear and not oxidized. And interior is in this gray color and the two-tone dashboard. Very nice design, very clean. This was the big improvement from the previous Chevy Malibu, and this was the time the GM paid a lot of attention to cars, and especially mid to compact sized cars, and they did a great job and improved a lot from the previous generation. And this, let's take a look at this. This is a perfect record from the day one. This must be a lady owner on this car since 2009. Every maintenance, every repair was recorded on this car. And very simple. I think she was very smart. Very simple one-line record. She can remember most part and the big money she spent or expense she spent, and give a very good idea how the car was maintained. And with this kind of mileage, this was a lady doesn't drive that much anymore. And overall, you can see with this car and with this record, you can expect a big smile whoever drive this car or sit in this car. Yes, just like that 2004 Sunfire we had. And this drives, feels like brand new car. And it's a very clean person. Smells, doesn't have any smells besides still a little bit of the plastic rubber new car smell. And this car not gonna be a lot of money, but this you can trust it for any driver to go anywhere any day. And that's the reason what the lowmilecars.com exists. We find reliable, dependable, affordable cars, and we find some fun cars too in the way, but our main business model is find reliable, dependable, affordable, low mileage used cars. lowmilecars.com.